Hello, this is Chuck from iPhone Witness News in Laguna Hills, California, with Illuminated Concepts. And you know what? I'm just living the dream here, living the dream. And we're experiencing, a little weather here. Yeah. And I got to do some repairs in the rain. GFIs and lots of torrential rain. They're just not friends with each other. So I reran some power, and hopefully it will last in this torrent of rain. But so here, yeah, everything is lit. Everything's lit. Yeah, just living the dream here. Repairing electrical in the rain. So they just wanted to. That's it. Okay. And so, reporting from Laguna Hills, California. It isn't sunny, California. Reporting from Laguna Hills, California. This is iPhone Witness News. Have a Merry Christmas and try to stay dry.